Hello guys, and welcome back to another awesome video. And I just noticed that there are some free things in the shop. Oh my gosh, this looks super nice.
Oh yeah, that's the new registration.
Okay, now here's Creeper.
Mega Unit!
Yes, I got that
Tigre!
too. Beautiful. Okay, well, building complex.
Epic.
Okay, now I get my epic chest. Let's see what I get.
Barbarian King!
Yeah, I got Barbarian King.
Rare!
Where? Not that high.
Dynamite!
Okay, Dynamite.
Comet! Big!
Not that.
Colt!
Yes, let's go. Okay, so if you're wondering why I just went like, look, I have a mega now.
Yeah, but you have to do this. You can only use them.
What? That's not fair. Greg.
I just got
Yeah, let's go. No, I'm charging. Okay, well, oh my gosh, I see Paula on the top of that building. Paula, get down from there.
Guys, comment down below if you guys think that that is Paul. Now, is Zoom in fully?
So my name is Living Cat Pro YT. I'm in Green World. Oh my gosh, I got the statue. Whoa! You go to farms. Okay, guys. I think he knows how to do this. The white key. Okay, that's me. Okay, I'm gonna create a party and I'm gonna invite you. It's a very simple concept. You technically just start. Okay, let's go. I'm about to get a goblin. I couldn't get him in the last video. So first video, if you didn't see that, then you should go back and watch. Dusty Badlands, I've never been in this one.
Yeah, because it's
Barbarians!
Let's look at this world. I'm not supposed to be here.
Barbarian! 9 players remaining.
I really only have barbarians. Busted?
No, I have a fusion.
Greg!
Greg, we need Greg. We need Greg on the team so we can chop everything. That's the way to go.
Hey, if you have bombs, you can actually just
Tree. I know, but I like doing it the old-fashioned.
8 players remaining.
No Jose way. Yes, I
Barbarian
got my
King!
epic barbarian. Now, if you didn't know, I got Barbarian King in the last video. I wasn't talking when I got him, but I was very excited to see him.
Barbarian! Fusion!
Yes, I got a fusion barbarian. Okay, I'm actually kind of surprised that you're not taking first place, but I'm actually in third place, as you can see.
Really?
Colt!
I'm gonna choose Colt.
No, just
I'm choosing Colt. I'm still near spawn, which I'm actually driving over here.
Colt!
I know, I Probably move on soon. Oh, okay, I'm moving now.
2 minutes left. El Primo!
I need the primo of the primos. Being chased by monsters.
Oh, Kaiju. Kaiju.
Here's a chest oh no!
No, I have to
Oh, great.
Dynamite!
Someone just get like down on there. Oh, of course you go down there.
Barbarian!
Get down there. Where are you? Yeah. Yeah, I was going to that's good then.
Final stretch! Cold! Gem line open!
It just went global this morning. Okay, I'm using the rage. I'm using rage.
Basically just... Oh, which is so...
Oh no, it's Kaiju, it's Kaiju, it's Kaiju. I have my ring, so don't worry, I'm good. Oh, there's so many guns on here, there's so many guns. Okay, 24 guns. And I'm down to only a barbarian. Okay, I'm gonna die. Get down here, cool.
7,
So cool.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, busted!
Busted.
Eighth place. Tough game.
Well, anyway.
Ahmed is super big.
Oh, big pop.
El Primo.
Oh! That's kind of good.
No, but you could... Yes, my win streak is back.
Did you use battle mode and the spells? Battle mode and spells?
Yes.
What else is free? Oh.
Ahmed,
3 days.
baby.
3 deals.
Greg.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, look, I'm gonna show you
Okay, who do you
Wait.
think I should buy? I'm not
I'm
gonna
gonna
buy.
show you the world map, world
Evolution. Classic. El
We
Primo.
could be in Royal Hunt, Whack-A-Mole, Super Gem Mine, Loot Search, and Goblin.
Bro, I have to go back to the map I'm good at. I can't play with you, Creeper.
Don't worry, I'll leave it.
Did you just remove me?
You know I could have just left, right?
Yeah. Use turbo for 90s. Oh yes,
New
I got
character.
Goblin, guys.
Goblin.
My goal is
Oh, Goblin's so good.
I love eating chicken though. I love chicken.
I have
Buster
44
Valley.
keys in
Pinata Party, my favorite game mode. I love Pinata Party.
Me too, I love it.
It's the best. I just love it. Okay,
Colt.
we're going Colt with this one. Break the chest.
Okay, I got 21
Okay, I'm technically just turboing it. I need
Goblin.
Goblin. Okay, I just have to break this and then run. Quick.
Okay, I can actually come out. Okay, I have the maximum amount for chest key and
Greg.
Greg, I guess. I don't know.
wood chest. Are you playing?
Colt.
Colt.
The Sand Pit, and Whack-A-Mole.
I'm gonna get that and beat the dragon. I gotta beat the dragon, guys. I'm a Minecraft speedrunner. I'm a speedrunner today, boys. Okay, I busted the dragon. Anyway, I'm gonna grab a Colt. Because now I can fusion. I just beat the dragon. Now, I'm still using it.
Goblin.
No, my goblin!
Another
I
one,
have
baby.
to get
Yes, I have another
because
one.
I lost that goblin! That goblin was my everything, bro.
Yeah.
2 minutes.
You should try.
Goblin was
You
like
should
losing.
try hard for Goblin.
Goblin.
No, my goblin is everything, though.
Yeah, but once you save us for the fish, you will be winning.
I'm gonna kill this golem because I really need to.
Dynamite.
Dynamite, let's go, baby! I'm back up to first place, guys. This is very stressful, okay? Another thing.
9 players remaining.
Oh, run! This is our time to run, guys. Okay, boys, it's getting serious. I should open a chest, shouldn't I? Okay, I just busted someone.
Okay, I got an epic birthday.
Dynamite. Final stretch.
Oh, crap. The middle chest is
Gem
open.
line
We have to go there. We have to go. We have to go. We
8
have to go.
players
We have to go.
remaining.
Quick, quick, quick. Quick, quicker. Quicker, goal. Oh, over anything? I have it. I have it.
Yeah, because he's...
Let's open them. Oh, dynamite. Okay, I got a fusion, so that's good. Okay, it
30
does not
seconds
even matter.
left.
Okay, I got
Barbarian
cover
king.
and everything. That's good, I guess. That's good, I guess. Oh,
7 players
Wait, if I
remaining.
have one more birthday, I can have another feud.
okay, I'm almost at
Guess what, Santa?
what?
I actually went to that
10, 9,
Barbarian king, another barbarian.
7, 6,
It's
5,
good.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, you came back to round
Finish.
I finished. I got it.
5th place. Keep it up.
Anyways, I can go and open up this chest.
Common.
I don't know.
Greg.
Common, okay, I got more Gregs. Yes, upgrade Greg, finally.
Yes, but like you said...
Evolution. Classic. Greg.
Well, now it's for faster and they're actually useful to me. Yeah, I got Goblin, guys. I'm trying. I'm trying. I'm trying my best, guys. Yes! Oh, I thought I just got chicken. No, I didn't.
Wait, you don't have chicken?
No.
Common. Super big.
Wait, please.
Super big hunter!
Goblin.
10 goblins! I can already upgrade Goblin.
Yo, wait, they're all epics.
That's crazy. I
Guys,
literally.
which one should I get? Orchid, please?
Evolution.
Guys, that's
Classic. Goblin.
Guys, that's crazy. I just literally straight up. Oh my gosh, guys, I got chicken.
New character.
Yes, my favorite
Chicken.
character. Finally,
Guys, the only
my
green...
favorite character.
Guys, the only green world character that I'm missing is Hog Rider. Yeah,
Where did you get Hopper?
chests.
Oh, chests. Okay.
And I don't have chests. You know what I'm hoping for?
What?
You know, like doppelgangers. Doppelgangers. My favorite ones are probably going to be Royal Hans
What is the squad news? Yeah, I know.
Doppelgangers, doppelgangers,
Um,
doppelgangers, please, doppelgangers.
Anyways, guys, as you can tell, I love the chicken.
Yeah!
Bro literally just freaked out because he got doppelgangers. I'm actually starting to like this game.
Wait, chests? What in this? Chests do what?
They give you the water. Yeah, I got the chicken, guys. I love chickens. Yes, I'm going to the practice range with chicken. Did you know about the practice range?
I know.
Barbarian King!
Die.
Barbarian
I'm
King!
Guys, I'm just trying out my things right now because I don't really.
Barbarian King! Fusion!
Yes, I got a fusion, guys.
My Coltigans did a boomer spot. Wait, what?
Isn't that his super?
Wait. I had 2 Colts and
Chicken.
and then a few.
Let's go, I got the fusion chicken.
Fusion.
I love chicken.
I'm gonna get a bow.
Anyways,
Hey, wait! My fusion to barbarian's gone.
okay, I'm gonna beat this dragon real quick.
What is going on?
Speedy.
What is going on? This is so crazy.
Well, anyways, guys, this is the most anti. Okay, since I just busted that guy.
Guys, guess what? Doppelgangers gave me 2 Colts and then a fusion barbarian. And then
Correct.
with that, it made
Well, anyways, guys,
I got a bow, and then I got a fusion bow,
that's
and a normal bow too, and then 2 fusion, one fusion Colts, and then 2 normal Colts.
you done. Anyways, guys, I'm about to start the next match. And let's see. Yes, Loot Goblin Rush.
Dude, I have 2 fusion.
What? Why, may I ask?
I just wanted one back.
Okay, we're getting we're starting with barbarians. We're going with barbarians today, guys.
Yeah, we're back.
Do goblins? Come over here, goblin. No match.
Barbarian!
Goblin! Come back over here.
Wait, if I get a choice, I will be
Goblin!
Die, Greg, die! I'm gonna get you out while I can. Okay, guys, I'm at the top. Yes, I got a chicken, guys. Oh, I'm getting destroyed. Not by players, by people. Oh, frick, there's a player. No.
Dude, there's too much skellies.
Bro, the aimbot on this game is so
Chicken!
annoying.
Oh, I just died. I was so
9 players remaining. Dynamite!
And if you are, just unsubscribe. I love unsubscribe. Even if they kill us. My subscribers mean a lot to me.
Barbarian! Fusion!
They aren't always that clear, but
2 minutes left.
But I have Dyna breath.
this?
Ah.
Is
Is there? Because if there is, you just know I'm going right.
Chicken.
Chicken is a rock.
Fusion.
No, I will be broke too. You know why?
Why?
Because do you
Chicken.
Chicken. I love chicken. At least
Look,
I'm
I'm still
Dynamite.
I'm busting my way up to glory.
Chicken. Final stretch.
Yes, let's go. Gems, boys. Gems.
Gem line open.
Gem boys. Let's quickly get a cold because that's literally all I have.
8 players remaining.
Even my barbarian and many chickens. So I have many chickens as you can see. Oh no, my chickens are dying! Don't die on me,
30
chickens!
seconds.
It doesn't matter, they're cute.
in the queue.
Barbarian king.
That's a little score.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Try to get as many gems as possible. They're
3,
dying.
2,
40, okay, that's a lot. Okay, that's a lot. That's actually a lot.
finish.
We got 40. We got 40, guys. We're finishing at 40, okay? We got 40, and let's see where we are. Okay, 7th place.
7th place. You'll get them next time.
Wait, I have a blue baby.
Common rare.
Rare, okay.
New character.
I
Medic.
got medic.
Wait, I got all 3.
I got medic, guys. I got a medic.
Guys, I have all 3
Jump off?
epics. Wait, I remember this map. I know this map.
So anyways, 162. 162. What all the chicken? Well, guys, I got my goal, and I'm wrapping it up, and I hope you have a nice one, and this is about it for this episode. Bye.